Today's revision will include how to round decimal numbers, how to add decimal numbers, how to subtract decimal numbers, and how to multiply decimal numbers. So let's start now by rounding. I need someone to remind us about the steps of rounding. Sharif.
To round the number, first we have to look at the rounding place. We look at the right of the rounding place. If the number on the right of the rounding place is less than 5, then we don't add anything to the rounding place, and all the numbers in the right will become zeros. If the number in the right of the rounding place is bigger than 5 or equal to 5, then we add 1 to the rounding number, and all the numbers in the right of the rounding number will become 0.
Okay, so part A, Hassan Al-Asal.
The 3 is the nearest the
rounding place, yes.
Place. The 1 is less than 5. This is 7.83. We put in the last 0.
Okay, so 7.83 because 1 is less than 5. Muhammad Ali.
34.281.
Yes.
First look at the right place, that is 2.
Yes.
Look at the right of it, and there's an 8.
Okay.
So we add 1 to the 2, so it will become 34.3.
Okay. Let's move to adding decimals. We're going to explain this by solving a word problem. Kamil, can you read?
Yes. A construction company bought 2.18 tons of gravel and 14.31 tons of sand. How many tons of material did the company buy in all? First, we underline the important information.
Which
2.8
yes.
tons of gravel
Yes.
and 14.31 tons of sand.
Okay.
And the keyword was in all.
Okay. So the keyword, it showed us that we should add to know the total number of tons of the material used, right?
First, we put 2.18. The decimal point has to be over the decimal point.
Okay,
then
so we have here 2.18 plus
14.31.
Then, so the decimal points should be
over each other.
Yes.
1 plus 8 equals 9.
Okay.
We put the zeros at the place.
Yes,
and
we will.
1 plus 3 is 4.
Yes.
We put the point. Then 2 plus 4 is 6.
Yes.
And 1 plus 0 is 1.
1. Okay. So, can you give me a complete answer?
The materials used, the ton of materials used is 16.49.
So we can say the company bought 16.49 tons of material. Okay. Now let's move to subtraction of two decimal numbers. Jad, read please.
A bee colony produced 1.19 pounds of honey, but birds ate 0.16 pounds of it. How much honey remains?
Okay, so
they
produced a total of
1.19 pounds of honey.
And the birds ate
0.16 pounds of honey.
So this shows
shows that we must subtract 1.19 minus 0.16, but the points must be vertically under each other.
Okay, so we have 0.16 and we start subtracting. Yes, this was the keyword. Yes.
This was the keyword.
Yes.
6 minus 9 is 1 minus 1, 0.
9 minus 6.
3.
Yes.
1 minus 1, 0. 1.
We put down the decimal point and 1 minus
0 minus 1.
1 minus 0.
1.
So can you give me a complete sentence?
The honey the honey that remains is 1.3. 1.03.
1.3 pounds of honey remains.
Okay. So now let's move to multiplication of decimals. In multiplying two decimal numbers, we said that we deal with them as if we are multiplying whole numbers. So we ignore the decimal point. A, Hamad Ali.
2.32 times 2.2.
Okay.
First we multiply them as we are multiplying normally with the
Whole numbers. So as if we are multiplying.
2 times 22.
Yes.
So first we start with 2. 2 times 2
Yes.
equals 4.
Yes.
2 times 3 6. 2 times 2 4.
Yes.
Then the second 2 0 put 0. Then 2 times 2 4.
Yes.
2 times 3 6. 2 times 2 4.
Yes. And then we
add them. And then we add them. 4 plus 0 equals 4.
Yes.
6 plus 4 equals 10. So put 0 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 6 equals 11. And then 1 plus 4 equals 5.
Okay. Then now we can.
Then we see how many places there is in the decimal. So there's
In the decimal part, yes. So we have 1, 2,
and then
3. So we move from here,
we move
1.
to here, and we count 1 and 2 and 3, and then we add the point.
So the answer
is 5.104.
4. Okay. So now let's move to multiplying 2.6 times 0.003. Hamad Watfa.
2.6 times 0.003.
So as if we are multiplying 26 times what?
Times 3.
3. The answer would be
3 times 6 equal 18.
yes.
3 times 8 equals
3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 2
equals 6.
6 plus 1
7.
7. So now how many decimal places do we have? So 2.6 times 3 0 0.0. We're going to get 78. We have in the decimal part 1 2 3 4. So we move.
So we 1
Yes.
and 2 and 3 and 4.
Yes. So the decimal point will be here. We fill the empty places by 0. Okay. So the answer is 0.0078. Any questions?
No.